Introduction of the USB ports of Element S. Element S has 3 USB interfaces: USB Type A, Type B, and Type C. The USB port is for connecting to DACs that support USB input. Swipe left on the device's display and tap on Outputs. Select USB DAC. Then connect the DAC. Through the USB-B port, computers, smartphones, and tablets can be used as audio sources of Element S. Swipe left on the device's display and tap on Inputs. Select USB Audio. Then connect computers, smartphones, and tablets to the USB-B port. The audio signals will be output from the Element S. Note, in this case, Element S works as an USB audio interface. It only outputs through optical, coaxial, AES-AEBU, and IIS-LVDS ports. If you want to play music from a USB drive, connect the storage device to the USB-C port. Set the device's input method to streaming. Then play these music contents through a remote app. If you want to play CD records through a CD drive, connect the CD drive to the USB-C port. Then set the input method to CD drive. Now you can play CD records through Element S.